Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into another tutorial. Today I have another tutorial for you guys because it's Sunday and Sunday is a time for another tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a KDP interior in Canva. Now there are so many software tools out there, InDesign, Affinity Designer, Photoshop, Illustrator. There are so many different professional softwares out there and amazing things are out there, but I'm going to be showing you easy step-by-step way to make your KDP interior by yourself on the Canva. Canva is simple, especially if you're a non-designer or even if you're just a beginner. It's quite simple to navigate it. It's quite amazing software. So I'm going to be showing you how to make your own KDP interior in the Canva. So let's dive in. Before we go, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. When we do so, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out the freebie section. It contains a full commercial license so you can download it. Also guys, we are soon going to starting with our exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in description box below to deliver you each and every week amazing exclusive content, making money online, print on demand, so much regarding making money online. So consider subscribing. It's 100% free. Right now it's on waitlist. I'm going to be sending you emails once we are starting with that. So let's hop into my laptop and the process of tutorial begins. We are on the Canva. You can see very well this is the home page of the Canva. You can go over to the canva.com and now we will be choosing a custom design from over here. I'm just going to go over to the create a design and you're getting the bunch of the option over here, the inches, the pixels, the millimeter and the centimeter. I would probably go with the inches. Now many of the KDP interiors are 6 into 9 inches. Now there are so many different sizes of the book interiors that you can create, but today I'm going to be creating 6 by 9 inches KDP interior. So I'm just gonna be picking up 6 and here it would be 9. Okay guys, so 6 by 9 inches. You could very well go with 8.5 into 11 inches. There are so many different sizes and you could do a variety of them, but once we are selected with that, then just click over to the create new design option. We are landed over to the white canvas over here. Now what we were going to do, we are making an yearly planner in the Canva. Okay guys, now you could make it with a monthly planner, daily planner, whatever you want to make, you could make. You can simply go with the template as well. Can see the bunch of the different templates the Canva offer. Template section on the left hand side, you could see there are the bunch of the different templates that the pre-made templates Canva already have. But today we won't be going into these pre-made templates that are made by the Canva. So we would be picking up something from scratch and would be creating this KDP interior from scratch. We won't be using any ready-made or pre-made templates by the Canva. This is the blank canvas, so we will be creating a first page. So very well, I would be going and I would need a text over here. So I'm just gonna be dragging a text over here that would state something like an yearly planner and something around corner like yearly planner. And you could also write over here the year, like it could be something like 2021, 2022. You could write a variety of the stuff over here, but I think I'm just gonna write the yearly planner over here and just leave the year blank because it might vary whatever year you want to create. I want to reduce the size of this font, so let's see. Okay, yearly planner. You could make it as a capital one as well, or you could just try the different things, but we will going to see later on. So now right now we need some boxes, and in that boxes we will be writing some content. So I'm just gonna go over to the elements section over here and we will be picking up boxes. So I would be going and typing a square over here. So here are the bunch of the different ones. I would be going with this one because I would just want a plain one. Cover the page. Okay, so let it cover the page over here and you could change the color of it. It's completely black. I want something like a gray. Okay, you could make it as a white as well, or you could do the bunch of the stuffs over here. Now we need a line because we will be making a boxes. So I'm just gonna be picking up a lines. Let me see. I just want a plain line, so this line would be apt. Just rotate it. So rotate it to the 90 degrees so that it could be straight vertical line, because earlier it was in horizontal. You could add the right, you could select the different kinds of style over here, the weight over here. It's 5. I just want it to be a thinner one, so I kept it as a 1. Now what we need to do over here, we need to create the column. So I'm just gonna drag it over here. Okay, here we are. So one line has been created. Now we need to create a second line in component with that. So I'm just gonna be clicking it as a copy, paste. So drag it over here. Okay, we need a 4 columns, so I think I need another line as well over here. So let me just do it. So again, I need to paste. So here we are with another line. Just drag it and just drop it over here. See, the lines as the distance between the lines is equal. If you don't see that, then adjust it according to it. I see that it's not apt. Just shift a little bit over here. Okay, now it's fine. Just shift a little bit over here and this one a little bit over here. Okay, so these are the 3 lines I've kept. Now in as well, now these are the vertical lines, so I just gotta be pasting it, and this one is the line, and I need to rotate it because right now I need a horizontal line. Earlier it was a vertical line, so keeping it at 1 degree. Wait a minute, guys. Now I just need to drag this one and bring it over here. So we would be making somewhat like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we would be like that because something like this one and another one would come over here. So I just gonna copy this line because this is the horizontal line and just paste it over here. Then again drag it and bring it over here and see the distance between the lines. I see that it's not equal, so I want to make it equal, and yeah, it's a little bit more equal, but again I mean, you can still see if it's equal or not, and I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, I think it's looking fine. I just change the size of the square box. You could also do that if you want to, and I'm just gonna bring it a little bit upside down over here as well. I'm just gonna bring it over upside. Same thing over here. I'm just gonna reduce the size of these lines, and yeah. So we have made the boxes. Now you can change the square color over here. Why I choose the square? I could made it on a plain blank canvas only, but I could change the color of the color of this box or choose it as a gray. I could choose this as a different color as well, like I want to choose it as a light red, so you could see how it's looking, and I could choose this text as the black one as well, or even a red. So yeah, this is the one you could do, and there's different things. Now the another important thing we need over here is the text for the months. So I would be going with the, I think I'll go with the add a little bit of the body text because I need the size of the text to be very small. So here it would be a January. Okay. You can see the color of this text. I need to be a black, not need to be a white, red. You could keep it as a red as well, but it again depends. I just want to be as a this, and again I'm going to reduce the size to, let's say, 14. How it's looking? I think it's looking. You can place another line over here and create a separate box for each individual. It depends on you how you want to do it, but I think I'm just going to copy this and paste this again and just drag it over here. Keep it in the middle, and now we need February. I need to paste it again. Now this time it would be March, so let me just write. I can't see, that's why I'm making a mistake over here. Now it's apt. Again, just paste over here. Now we need to write as April. Keep it over here and edit the text as April. Then again copy. Now we need the May. Wait a minute. Okay, here we are. Just do it, guys. I'm just gonna do it. Write all the months over here. So we can come over here. So this one would be June. Now we need next month and so on and so forth. Bring it over here and just keep it in the center according to the text that you have placed in the upside. This one would be July. Again, I would be needing another month. So keep it over here. Okay. And this one would be August. Fine. Now we need another one. That would be the September. Just place it over here, I think. Okay, fine. So September. Okay, here we are. I think I need to reduce the text size, but I'm gonna be doing it later on. Just bring it over here again. This would be October. Then we again need another one over here. This would be November. Then we need another one. That would be December. Now this one is just a simple yearly planner, guys. Of course, you can try and test with different ideas over here, and you could just see which one works best for your ideas and all those kind of stuff over here. I think the April is going outside. I need to bring it a little bit over here. So I think I need to reduce the size of the font text because it's too large. So I'm just gonna be keeping it as a 10. So I'm just gonna be reducing the size of every text over here, so that it won't look too big and won't look too small as well. So I think that 10 is apt because the 14 is larger, especially for the September and October. And okay, so here we are, guys. We are almost about to done with it. Okay. Okay. And boom. So I think that the 10 is apt. Now you could place another line over here. Like I could do it, guys. Let me just show you. You could even place another line over here. Like this one would be coming over here. So if I just copy this one and let me paste. So you could see how it's looking over here. So again, this line I would be needing it for this one. Need for this one. Okay. I think I need to bring this one a little bit more down because the rest are a little bit more down. Okay. So you could see that we have made the yearly planner. Now you can change the color of this entire box to simply keeping it as a white as well. You can just test it and see what works best for you. And according to this is just a simple. You could even write the yearly planner 2021, 22, 23, whatever yearly planner you're making over here. You could write over here, you could write the different kinds of stuff over here. So this is the first page. I think I'm just gonna be keeping the color of the box to as light red only because I think that it will going to match with my text color, that is a red in color. Now I need a second page. So in the second page, I'm just going to be clicking over here, add another page, and this page I'm going to be keeping it as for the notes. Like if they want to write something extra or something different over here, they could go and write over here. Let me see what's the size of this text was that. It was the 32. So I also want this one to be 32. Okay. And this one also needs to be red so that it is in correlation with that. And you could place the lines over here again and can create the lines and all those kind of stuff, but I think I'm gonna leave it as a blank only. And then for the third page I can just copy this and I can duplicate this page. Like I'm gonna be duplicating this page and bring it down sides. And then for the fourth page again I'm gonna be duplicating this one and I'm gonna bring it down. So you could see the first page is this, and the second page is the notes, then the third page, fourth page, and so on and so forth. You could create a 100-page KDP interior like this. Of course, there are so many different varieties you could add over. You could add different kinds of illustrations. You could add different kinds of codes, the graphics. This is just quite simple. Like I just keep it simple as much as I can. So this is just a simple thing that you could do. Of course, there are so many variations. You could give it a try. You could change the color box, the text color, the lines colors,
You can even write something over here if you want to do. You can do a bunch of different stuff, but this is just a short tutorial to show you guys as simple as possible on how to make an yearly planner in the Canva, especially the KDP interior. Guys, let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a printables on the Canva, because it's not just about the KDP interior. If you're looking to selling on the Etsy and you want to sell on Etsy the different kinds of printable planners like the business planners or a meal planner or a daily planner, or not just a planner in general, you want to make a budget planner or something like that, and you want to create these printables and sell on the Etsy as a digital download. If you also want that kind of tutorial, do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a printable so that you can create a printable and can sell on the Etsy as a digital download and can make more money. Because it's not just about creating a KDP interior for your KDP low and no content board. You could create a digital download and you could also sell on the Etsy to make extra money and not just utilizing a single platform, that's the Amazon. So let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a video, another tutorial to show you how to make a planner, a printable planner, specially catering to the Etsy as a digital download so that you can sell on the Etsy. Do let me know in the comment section below. But that's it for today's tutorial. You can add a different varieties of the things over here. This is just a simple tutorial to show you how to make a simple yearly planner in the Canva from scratch without using the Canva pre-made templates. Hopefully you find it useful. Do let me know in the comment section below, guys.
Hopefully you find today's video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think. Have you ever tried making a KDP interior in the Canva? I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.